Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video we're going to take a look at how Endpoint Insights enables you to more easily check the warranty status of your devices. So let's take a look at what it might look like manually if we're checking warranty status without Endpoint Insights. So we have all of our devices here in our spreadsheet. Hopefully this is worst case scenario where we're tracking all of our devices in a spreadsheet here. But just for demo purposes, we'll pretend this is all of our devices. We'll pretend that we also have all of the support tags in this spreadsheet as well. So now that we've got our spreadsheet open, we want to check the warranty status of this first device here. We'll go ahead and grab the service tag. Now that we have our service tag copied, we'll jump over to the Dell website, pop in that service tag, and now we have our warranty information for this one device. So that can be pretty tedious if we're trying to do this at scale. Hopefully whatever manufacturer we use allows us to do batch inputs of these so we can check multiple devices at a time here. But let's take a look at how much easier it is with Endpoint Insights. So Endpoint Insights will actually pull out the warranty data automatically for us. What it's going to do is the agent will collect the device information, pass that through an API to the OEMs. We have over 100 OEMs that we check against. And then it'll dump all of that information back into the config manager database for us. So if we want to check this device without having to go to the web at all, we can go ahead and right click on the device, go to Endpoint Insights, pull up our all-in-one computer view, and we'll actually get the computer warranty information right here within this report for us. So we can do this at scale as well. If we go into our config manager reports portal, pull up our Endpoint Insights, go to device warranty, we can actually get a whole list of reports on our computer warranty information. So if we wanted to go ahead and pull up a report for warranty range, we could select a collection here. We'll just use all systems, and we'll use any devices that have been expired for 1 to 2 years here, and we could pull up a report of all those devices so that we could identify these to be replaced. That's just a quick look at how Endpoint Insights enables you to more quickly check the warranty status of your endpoints.